In this video, we will show you how to mount Ivoclar iVotion discs into your E5. iVotion discs combine dental and prosthetic base material. To mount iVotion discs, you need to obtain the dedicated E5 iVotion mounting aid from customer service. Before mounting your first iVotion discs, you will need to unlock iVotion machining in Dental CNC. Connect to your E5. Open the application settings. Open the machine data view. Activate the iVotion machining option. Enter the unlock code that was provided with the mounting aid into the opening window and press enter. Dental CNC will now execute jobs which use the iVotion denture blank type. Let's mount an iVotion disc using the mounting aid. Notice: unusable machining results and tool damage if iVotion discs are misaligned. iVotion discs must be precisely aligned in the blank holder by properly using the mounting aid. Loosen the two fixing screws in the blank holder without unscrewing them. Insert the iVotion discs into the blank holder from above as follows. Firstly, the gingival side faces you. Secondly, the green line on the gingival side runs from top to bottom on the right side of the disc. Thirdly, the flat surfaces in the edge of the gingival side are positioned in the blank holder as shown. The mounting aid has several brackets on one side so that it can rest on the blank holder. Install the mounting aid as follows. Firstly, the top brackets lie on top of the blank holder. Secondly, the lower bracket rests against the blank holder beneath the disc. Thirdly, the mounting aid rests evenly and firmly on the blank holder. Tighten the fixing screws with the provided torque screwdriver. Notice: damage to mounting aid if it remains in the working chamber. Pull the mounting aid off the blank holder. To create a job in DentalCam using the iVotion denture blank type, make sure that it is enabled in the view for customizing the blank type list. When creating a job, you can then select iVotion denture D from the blank type drop-down list. Import the object for the iVotion discs into the job. Select denture as the indication. If the file is a 3-shape CAM5 file, select 3-shape iVotion in the filter selection list and import the file. The description process may take a moment. Nest the object. You cannot adjust the position of the object. Set bars as usual. Calculate the job, assign tools and machine the job like any other job. To remove the iVotion disc from the blank holder, unscrew the two fixing screws without unscrewing them and pull the disc upwards out of the blank holder. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E5. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.